Shiba Inu. Let's talk about a price prediction for SHIB, okay? Because you need to kind of know what is going on with Shiba Inu right here, right now, in the current kind of situation that's playing out with the overall crypto market. So you can see that right now, crypto is really kind of holding steady, not doing a lot right this second. It's only up a little bit less than 1%. And before we get into SHIB, let's take a look real quickly at Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can see that Ethereum is still in the last 24 hours up more than Bitcoin, but they're holding steady as well. So let me take a look at Shiba Inu here, and I'll show you kind of what I've got for you as it relates to a price prediction. Okay, so right now we are consolidated in that 1319 area. And if we look at the last 7 days, this is a good looking chart in the last 7 days. Now, I'm not talking about this part, because this part happened last Thursday and Friday of last week, where we the market received some data from the FOMC meeting, basically the Federal Reserve policymakers. The meeting notes were released where they talked about the fact that the policymakers who were in attendance at that meeting last Wednesday, the meeting notes were released Thursday into Friday. This is that move down here, that it was the overall consensus was that from the policymakers, they felt that the interest rate hikes that the Federal Reserve have done so far in 2022 had not really had an impact on inflation. Okay, and that's the move down that hit the entire crypto market. That right there. Beyond that, okay, so you can see what SHIB did is then it established this level in the 1300 level, and it's been consolidating there since the 18th, which is approximately 6 days ago. Okay, so this is good. So from a price prediction standpoint, I fully expect us to stay right here. Okay, I don't expect a lot of movement up or a lot of movement down. All right, but we have a couple of big things happening this week and into September. So let me tell you about what those things are. Okay, so on this coming Friday, there is a big central banking symposium being held in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Okay, and it is a summit meeting, and the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to be in attendance, and he's going to be giving a speech on Friday, 2 days from now. And everybody is going to be looking at what he says about the State of the Union of the economy, the United States economy, and specifically inflation, and it will impact crypto. So what you see right now is the volatility or lack thereof, or kind of not really volatility, but just kind of this kind of yesterday the crypto market was up a little bit. Today it's still up just a little bit as of recording this video. But you see this kind of, really what I'm trying to say is you see this wait and see attitude, right? Because we're waiting really to see what on Friday what Chairman Powell says about inflation and things like that. And so if he says positive remarks, they're called dovish, or hawkish is bad, dovish is good, just FYI. If he has dovish comments about the overall kind of inflation, the interest rate hikes that the Fed has done so far year to date, if he has positive comments, then you can expect the overall crypto market to start to move up, and SHIB will move along with it. Now, from a price prediction standpoint, it's entirely possible we can move into the 14 range or maybe into the 15 range. That's a possibility dependent upon what he says. Now, there is the flip side to this. If Chairman Powell says something that is construed as negative or hawkish, that's their term, not mine, or hawkish, then SHIB will either A, consolidate, kind of stay here, or B, might move down into the 12 range. Okay, so there's kind of a price prediction and an overall State of the Union. So we're watching to see what happens this Friday. So stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below and definitely drop a like if you got value out of this video. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.